भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भज मूढमते Bhaja Govindam is a beautiful hymn composed on Lord Govinda, written by Adi Shankaracharya in Varanasi. On being irritated by the sound of a student who was loudly trying to learn the rules of grammar by rote, means he was practicing loudly and repeated the grammar again and again, which was being irritated to Adi Shankaracharya. The all slokas or verses say that one must worship Lord Govinda. Why? In order to cross the ocean of samsara. Rules of grammar will not save you at the time of your death. There are 33 verses emphasize the importance of devotion towards God and to liberation from the cycle of birth and death. So, let's chant the name and glory of Lord Govinda, which will make you free from all adversities, difficulties, and lead you the path towards liberation, that is Moksham.